Alright, well we're going to go over some of the multiplication and division facts, and we are going to use a good old-fashioned chart. So let's see what patterns we can find here. Please see that we go, we're just using 2, 4, 5, and 10 right now. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, look over here. 2 times 2 is 4. And students, if you're doing this on your own, be sure to ask a parent, because I'm sure they've used these. Parents, this will be in their chart at school, but you're welcome to either make one or copy, do a screenshot and print it or something of your own. And once they get the hang of it, you can even go ahead and start learning the other math facts. Alright, let's start over. 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to stick in this same row but move over a column. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. Now what you'll notice is you can use this for division as well. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 22 divided by 11 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2, and so on and so forth. So what would be good to do is practice saying it, practice the patterns. Notice that you have your skip counting by 2s in this row, skip counting by 4s in this, skip counting by 5s in this row, and skip counting by 10s in this row. Okay? It's much easier to be able to see the multiplication facts and how they correlate with or go along with the skip counting that you've done since 2nd grade and probably started in 1st grade. And then go backwards and you can see, let's look, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So you stick with the same column. So I'm going to highlight it here. If I have 20 here, then I look up, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, so keep practicing it. We'll keep going over it. At first it's kind of hard and there's lots of numbers, but the more you practice it, the easier it becomes, and the more fun it becomes to be able to look up facts quickly and to be able to practice your facts quickly without having to skip through a lot of columns. You can also compare, and it looks a lot like a hundreds chart once you get used to it as well.